Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. This is iMix Reload presentation. So iMix Reload is a USB controller so that you just connect the iMix Reload over there to any kind of computer, PC, Macintosh, and then you can control the software. Included in the box you have Decadence LE and Traktor 3 LE. Okay, let's have a closer look to the front panel and to the rear panel. Let's start by the rear panel. So as you can see, iMix Reload, iMix Reload can be in orange or black color. So let's start by the orange color. On the rear panel, you can see you have a very nice USB connection. So for the USB connection over there, you can just connect to computer, and that will be USB powered. Over there, you can connect also to an adapter. And you have a very nice thing here. You have a crossfader curve. I mean, you can select what kind of curve you want to crossfade for the crossfader. And here it's a two sensor for the very nice jog wheels that you have here. So we have a very fantastic jog wheel which are touch sensitive. That means from the outside you will have one control, and from the top you will have one control, and the center here you can have any kind of tapping effect on the controller. We have a very nice long life fader as well, and it's a 60 millimeter fader. So these jogs are great. What I would like to focus on is iMix Reload. The Digitech iMix Reload is a plastic controller with metal jog wheel, and the weight, ladies and gentlemen, the weight is only 1.6 kilo. That means you can bring, it's not a 5 kilos controller, and it's smaller than a laptop. It just fit into your laptop bag. That is a very nice function. So it controls any kind of software because it's MIDI signal, MIDI communication, and that can control Serato and professional software, but now we are shipping with Traktor and Decadence, two very fantastic software. So let's have a closer look on the top panel of the unit with this iMix Reload. So this demonstration we will do will be with the Decadence for LE. So let's start by explaining a little bit the user interface. The user interface over there, let's have a closer look and a top shot. On the free section here you have sync, cue and play, downbeat, the jog over there with the sensor on the back that can be, you can scratch, search and play. You have here at the total 70 control that is possible in real time with a low latency. So the iMix Reload comes with a sound card which is provided, a small USB sound card which is provided free of charge that can help you to monitor your sound for the headphones. So you have a pitch control, a very nice 45 millimeter pitch control with a key lock over there. You can set exactly here. You can set what you want. You can set the cue, set the sampler, set also some loop in memory. You have the auto loop over there. You can select what kind of auto loop you have, the relooper. You have here the encoder that helps you to go to the folder. For example, here I'm moving, and you can see in the software in gray color, I can select the song I want, and the two knobs over there will help you. I can load the song into the deck A or load the song in deck B. So for example, this one is deck A. Let's try another song, deck B. And the browser help you to go directly to any folder of Decadence. If you press encoder, a very nice issue, you will be able to hear into the headphones. It's a preview of the song, of the song that you want to put on A on B. So before the choice of the songs, you can just press preview and you will listen the song into your headphones. That's a fantastic function. Over there you have a master volume and a phone mix volume. Actually, it can be assigned for any function. So in the center part, you have two very nice fader. As you can see, I am moving them, and that will move the software at the same time of the volume in the middle of the part. Crossfader also. Okay, let's control the curve of the crossfader to have a very, now you can see free position crossfader because my sensitivity had been set up for that one. But now I have a progressive crossfader because I move it already on that one. So in the center part, you have a free band cut kill equalizer with a gain control on the top, and you can have the kill function in red. That will be that is very nice when you are playing in the dark, because that will be red. And here also you can see that will be a very nice blue color. So now you have the flash. You cannot see it, but if I turn the unit, turn the light of complete light, then you can see it. It's very, very flashy. It's using some plastic knobs, so a very long life tack switch that will be able to 1 million strokes, something like that. And both of the two players are mostly on that part, and that part are the same. Okay, here you have a nice 4 knobs and 4 control here are selected for the effect. So for example of the effect, so I will take in my mouse in the software here, you can have the effect here, and you can select, you can see the X parameter and the Y parameter. But before that, let's play some song and explain in the same time how the unit works and how easy it is on the hardware. On the software, you have the wave here, both wave, and you have all the control. For example, I'm moving as well the equalizer on the left here of the deck A, which is very nice. I will use this hand. You can see that, okay, I'm working also on the gain control here, the equalizer, very fast. There is no any latency. So let's play a little bit music over there, and let's enjoy the Decadence and the iMix Reload demonstration.